Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlock PayPal from Gcash. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically in this video, we're just going to follow this article here that show us exactly how you can simply unlock PayPal from Gcash. So basically the first thing would be is of course to launch your Gcash app and connect your login in to your account by entering your PIN. After that, you will find your home page here. So basically in the home page, you will find the send, load, and transfer funds, and you can also pay your bills and all the other features and services. But what we are interested in is to go to the profile so we can modify and link PayPal. So either you can go to your cards and find your cards, or you can simply go to the profile, and after that you will find here in this menu you will find my linked account. And in addition to that you will have also here all the other settings or the other features of your application, but what we are interested is the linked account. Then you will find PayPal in the list of the linked accounts. So as you can see, you can have the Gcash card, the American Express Virtual Pay, Pioneer, and all the other cards. Then you will need just to choose PayPal, and then you will click on it. And basically here you will need just to click on it and click on unlink. And by clicking on proceed, you will find a confirmation message. So basically, you will be needing to enter your PIN correctly as a confirmation method or as a security method. And after that, the unlocking process will be complete, and then you will find a successful message or a message that says that your PayPal has been unlinked successfully. And basically, that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.